Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. Let's dive into the process of changing the filter and cleaning the internal components of your Dyson V10. First, unplug your vacuum to ensure safety. Locate the filter at the back of the motor. To remove the filter, simply twist and pull it out. It is recommended to change the filter every 1 to 3 months depending on usage. If you don't have a replacement filter on hand, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help assess any issues with your vacuum. Now, let's clean the filter. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. Do not use any detergents or chemicals, as this can damage the filter. Allow it to dry completely before reinstallation, ideally for 24 hours. While your filter is drying, let's move on to cleaning the vacuum's internal components. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located near the dust canister. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the canister away. This will expose the internal area of your vacuum where dust and debris can accumulate. Using a soft brush, gently sweep away any dust and debris you find inside. Pay special attention to the motor housing and any crevices where dirt can gather. If you feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. After brushing away the debris, use a microfiber cloth to wipe down the internal surfaces. This helps to remove any stubborn grime and ensures your vacuum will operate efficiently. When you're finished, carefully reattach the dust canister, making sure it clicks back into place. Don't forget to reinsert the screws, tightening them securely but not overly so to avoid damage. Now, it's time to reinsert your filter. Make sure it's completely dry, and then place it back into the vacuum by twisting it into place. This step is crucial for maintaining your vacuum's suction power and performance. Before you start using your vacuum again, it's wise to double-check that everything is securely reassembled. If you are unsure or if your vacuum still doesn't perform as expected, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. This way, you can make an informed decision about the next steps. By following these steps, you'll ensure your Dyson V10 runs smoothly and efficiently. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your vacuum and keep your home cleaner. Finally, remember that we're here to help. If you ever need assistance with your Dyson V10, don't hesitate to reach out. With our services, you can enjoy the convenience of no calls and no travel, making your vacuum maintenance experience hassle-free. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.